The digital revolution in fabrication isn't coming, it's already here. Now with ESAB Digital Solutions, we can harness the power of data to solve the ever-pressing challenges our industry faces today. Let's start by talking about a major problem. It's becoming harder and harder to find qualified welders. The sad reality is that as our welding workforce ages, people are retiring faster than their replacements can be hired. This will affect the entire fabrication process. But what can we do about it? There are 4 additional critical issues affecting our industry. The first is weld quality. You want clean, strong welds every time. Your own quality departments and even your customers demand that you stay within WPS specs. But how can you be sure of your weld quality if you aren't constantly measuring? Wouldn't it be amazing if, at the time of the weld, you could get a grade on how well it was made? When performing multiple passes, think of the benefit of knowing that the early passes were imperfect and should be fixed, of eliminating the need for destructive testing. Even before you weld, what if you could optimize complicated nesting scenarios to maximize the use of the plate before you begin cutting? And of course, we want these capabilities across our entire fleet of mixed power sources. We require a solution that works with everything. The second issue is productivity. Even with a shortage of qualified welders, projects get bigger and timelines get tighter. We face constant pressure to cut more and to weld better and faster than ever before. But how? The third issue is downtime. Downtime tends to pop up when you least expect it. But what if you could predict sources of downtime before they happened? What if, from anywhere in the world, you could immediately identify issues or make adjustments to optimize quality and performance? The fourth issue is documentation. In our world of ever-increasing regulations, many of our customers demand proper documentation. Gathering the required paperwork costs a lot of time and money, because right now it's done manually. What if there was a system that could do the work for you? So let's recap. We need to ensure consistent weld quality. We need to increase productivity, we need to avoid downtime, and we need to make documentation easier. Today, we can finally solve all these issues. The future is now with ESAB Digital Solutions. ESAB Digital Solutions is a complete suite of digital services that gives you the power to revolutionize your entire fabrication workflow with data. During the upfront cutting process, our Columbus CAD/CAM platform helps you organize your nests to optimize plate usage. CutCloud, our web-based data management platform, automatically reports on the efficiency and productivity of your cutting processes, keeping you updated on how your cutting machines are performing. With real-time information at your fingertips from any location, you can predict when maintenance should occur, ultimately helping your operation be more productive across the entire fabrication process. After cutting, WeldCloud helps you by logging data on current, amperage, and voltage, while also keeping track of part numbers, filler metal specifications, operators, and more. This allows you to review productivity by shift or material, take a look at your power sources and how they perform, have documentation completed automatically, and improve the overall quality of your shop's work. And premier connectivity with embedded WeldCloud is just the beginning. You now have the ability to connect to any vendor's equipment with the WeldCloud Universal Connector. With Weld QAS, we can bring you real-time weld quality analytics with mathematical models that use real-time data to predict the grade of your welds. This added level of quality assurance helps reduce costs throughout the production process. And thanks to our partnerships with Microsoft Azure IoT and ThingWorx from PTC, our latest architecture allows you to securely configure and scale digitally enabled workflow solutions for companies of all sizes, whether through the cloud or on-site. ESAB Digital Solutions brings fabrication into the 21st century and beyond. Now you can put data to work to monitor equipment, streamline documentation, control quality, and be more productive than ever before. Are you ready to future-proof your shop's capabilities? Visit esab.com/digital to learn more.